Hello and assalamu alaikum. Today I will be sharing with you guys how I make Kunaafa dessert.
Praise for Allah, nothing but Allah. Praise the beginning of Bismillah. Taste for taqwa, bewaring of Allah, and thanks for thawab reward. Taste for Jannah.
I start off by grabbing my Kunaafa dough and I add in some butter to soften it a little bit.
Praise for Khatam, the seal of the prophethood given to the prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam.
I then grab my cupcake trays and I just spray them so that the Kunaafa dough doesn't stick. And then I equally divide the Kunaafa dough into each area.
Remembering Allah and rise for the month of Ramadan. Oh, Ramadan.
And then I use a shot glass to make little wedges inside the Kunaafa dough. And then I got another cupcake pan where I use baklava sheets. I add layers of 4. I also spray the pan so it doesn't stick as well, and then I just equally divide them into each area.
Till we meet our Lord.
I then put it in the oven and I let it cook for a little bit. Around 10 to 15 minutes is fine, or until you see it turn golden brown like this, and then it should be able to come out of the cupcake pans. And here I'm using a flat pan. I'm using some ghee butter and coating the baklava dough, and I'm just going to roll up some pistachios and some nuts as well as the Kunaafa dough.
And is for a shadow, and is for ilm, the thing to know, to make our knowledge grow in Islam. Is for ghaib, a world unseen, and that we know is not a dream. And fa is for the opening, Al-Fatiha.
And here I'm making the filling, so I'm using 2 cans of kishta, 1 can of condensed milk, and some pinar, or even you can use some cream cheese if you don't have any.
Teach us what is good and what is not. And La is for the beginning of La ilaha illallah. Ma is for the messenger Muhammadur Rasulullah. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. Allah, there's only one God and Muhammad is his messenger. Allah, la ilaha illallah.
And now I'm adding the filling. I put it in a piping bag and then I just fill in each area.
After the day, and highs for the hijrah, the journey that the prophet made. And what for wudu before we pray, to help us wash our sins away. And yeah, is for your deen. Allah, there's only one God and Muhammad is his messenger. Allah, la ilaha illallah. Allah, there's only one God and Jesus.
And with the one we rolled up, I add in some liquid sugar and I top it off with some of the nut mixture I had.
Allah,
And then I add some chocolate in a piping bag and I add that on top.
his messenger. Allah, la ilaha illallah. Allah.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. Bye!